So today I will be doing the biggest, don't worry about that. The biggest pack opening on my channel yet, and I still have 111,000 coins left over. So the packs we'll be opening today is, I'll show you guys really quick. We have 20 pro packs and 5 season stars packs, which are 50k each. So that's 250k. And then these 20 pro packs is 150k. Okay, geez. Yeah. Okay, so let's start by opening the pro pack. These pro packs. I like you guys saw all my elites, and I bought like the lowest overall cards for most of my cards so I could lower my overall rating. Because I've heard the lower your overall rating is, the higher chance you have to get like better cards, like elites and stuff. So it's what I did. I don't know what like the limit is for being too low. And so yeah, basically this pack, if should be my fifth pack. Let's just go with it updated my entire team. And I'm back, guys. So I just switched my overall rating to a 69 overall because I tend to get more elite pulls on this overall rating. I don't know why. I had it before and I got some like insane 90 overall or and higher pulls, especially those star packs. I've got a lot of elite star players out of those packs, probably like 3 or 4. So those packs are pretty good in my opinion. Excuse me. And so yeah. So far we haven't pulled any elites in these pro packs and we're down to 12 more. It's fine. It's okay. I believe we could get something in these pro packs. Oh, there we go. There's something right there. Ben something. He's a Madden NFL base player, and his best attribute is his. Oh wow! And this is a pretty good card, I guess you could say. Not the best in my opinion. All right, moving on. And so yeah, that was the first pull in the 11th pack. No, the 12th pack, actually. And Greg Hardy, okay. I'm usually used to NBA Mobile, but that kind of got boring. So I switched over here and it's a lot easier to make coins. And so it's going to be a lot easier to bring you guys good pack opening content. And so yeah, basically it's going to help out my channel more. And yeah, so there's that. And all these bronze and silver players I will actually need. Yeah, the silver players I do need. Okay, what did I do that for? Same with the bronze players. I need those too. The gold players, is easy money. Just fast, quick money. And looks like we haven't pulled anything good ever since the first elite we pulled. Haven't been getting any more red paint. We're coming up to those topper packs. Okay, 80 overall Jerry Hughes. I don't know how to pronounce the name. And 83 overall Sammy Watkins. Okay, so I'm not really good at pronouncing names, especially last names, because there's a whole different bunch of ways to say someone's last name or anybody's name. Like it could be spelled so weird and have a different pronunciation than what it looks like. And so, okay, 80 James Carpenter. Oh, let's go. Okay, 92, 92 overall. And Tony, okay, exactly. B BT, I guess. And Tony BT. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh my god, bro. Oh. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, okay. Taking a screenshot. Taking a screenshot. Oh my god. Let's go, Micah Bennett. Michael Bennett. Oh, that's great. Wow. Oh, the first season starters pack as well. Oh, 91 speed. Yeah, it's the best attribute for him. Ooh, my god. Okay. And we got 4 more of these. And we pulled double elite in the first one. Okay. That was for, oh my god, that's my favorite pack ever. Words cannot explain my happiness right now. William Hayes, okay. Okay, that pack is still good. Kinda, I lost money from that pack, but that's okay. Money's easy to get in this game. And, if you'd want me to make a video on how I get my money, I could probably show you guys how I get my money and stuff. Wait, did I? Okay, so it's this one. Isaiah Crowell. Alright guys, I'm gonna go for a reveal all. I'm gonna close my eyes and scroll so you guys can see before I do. I hope I'm even scrolling. Okay. Oh my god. That's the second season starter player, elite player we got from this pack company. 91 overall William Hayes. Oh my god, let's go. Okay, last one. And then after this, we're gonna go over to those sets and see what we could do. Oh, just hit that reveal all. Steven Nelson, okay. Oh my god, bro. Let's hit that best lineup button. 85 overall. Let's go. Is anybody new on the offense team? Not that I can see. Oh my god. That's just freaking great. Oh no. Oh, for a second I thought I had an elite. Oh yeah, I did. It was Kim Chancellor. Wow. Bro, this pack opening's just insane. And Michael Bennett replaces. Oh, those two. Wait, didn't I get this guy from like the first pro pack? Okay, whatever. There's William Hayes as well in that lineup. Then Jonathan, don't know how to pronounce his last name once again. And oh my god, guys. I don't think I pulled him from the pack. Nah, don't think so. Let's go to special. Oh wow, we got a new guy for that. Spencer Lanning. It's so hard for me to get these special teams, elites. Okay, let's go down here and see what we got. Okay, so look at that. He was a QB, but I got Russell Wilson because I am a Seahawks fan. And yeah, buddy, wait a minute. You know what? Just for this video, I'll go open up two more season starter packs. Stars pack. Okay, I'm just gonna stop. Okay, William Hayes once again. Okay, I don't even care at this point. I'm so happy. I don't even care that I lost money that pack. I'm so happy. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes again and hit that reveal all button like I did this time. Reveal all. Hope I'm scrolling. Okay, open my eyes. Isaiah Crowell. Okay. Whoa, whoa, wait, what? Two Isaiah Crowells. Okay, it's fine with me. Okay, and let's open up another pro pack. Even though we got nothing out of these, I just want to like get all my money down. And you never know. Okay, James Devil alone. Okay, let's go over here to the sets. And see, we could do the Star Reshine. We could. We got 17. But no. Let's see if we could complete any of the sets to get any of the elite star players. Let's see what we got here. Oh wow, I'm only missing Sam Bradford. Okay, let's do here. Missing Anthony BT. I got the elite version of him, and Tyrell Williams got the elite version of him too. And Series 1. Wow. Got no Series 1 elite cards. Okay, so the best we could do right now is just do this and hope we get one of those guys we need. No, we don't end up getting one. And let's do it again. See what we could get. William Hayes and Claudie Glenn. Okay, these players I will be selling. So, yeah, just take those out. And take these out. Oh, never even had any in. Bro, I'm so hyped right now. It's insane. And well, that's it for this video. Uh, yeah, I basically got all this within a day. If you went to my other video, it should say it's posted like yesterday or like a day before this one. So yeah, it's pretty cool, and I made 600K just today, and it's one of my best money making days so far. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and goodbye.